Chris is
Hey,
speaking.
Chris.
Hey, who's this?
This is Alex. How's your day going so far?
It's good, man. I don't have time for you to sell me, okay? I have to leave.
Hey, no problem at all, Chris. I totally understand that you're busy. Before you go, can I just ask you a quick question? It'll only take a moment.
Okay, go ahead.
Thanks, Chris. I appreciate it. So I noticed that you listed your land on Zillow. Can you tell me a bit more about that?
Yeah, I'm negotiating that land, right? So I think I'm gonna sell it now.
I understand that you're in the process of negotiating the sale of your land. That's great to hear. If everything went perfectly and you were able to sell your land quickly, fairly for cash, how would that make you feel?
That's what I'm looking for.
That's awesome, Chris. It sounds like selling your land quickly and fairly for cash is exactly what you're looking for. Can you tell me more about why that's important to you?
I need cash urgently. I have something going on here myself, but I just not. I don't know. That's it.
I understand, Chris. It sounds like you have something going on in your family that requires cash. I'm sorry to hear that. On a scale from 1 to 10, how much would you say you're currently experiencing the need for cash?
I would say like a 7.
Got it, Chris. So on a scale from 1 to 10, you would say you're experiencing the need for cash at a salmon level. Can you tell me a bit more about why it's at that level for you?
I already told you, man. I just need the money.
I apologize if I misunderstood, Chris. It sounds like you really need the money. I appreciate you sharing that with me. Now, based on our conversation, I recommend a meeting for you that I think would really help. It's a free consultation meeting with one of our friendly real estate experts. Would you be interested in setting up that meeting?
Do I have to pay for anything?
No worries, Chris. The consultation meeting is absolutely free. There's no cost or obligation involved. It's just an opportunity for you to get some expert advice and guidance regarding your land. Would you like to set up the meeting?
I don't know. I'm not sure. I think I'd rather sell it myself. Thank you.
I understand, Chris. It's totally up to you if you prefer to sell it yourself. Just to confirm, you're not interested in the free consultation meeting with our real estate experts, right?
If I don't have anything to... Let's do it. Can we schedule a call, a virtual meeting? Or because I don't want nobody to come here, or I don't want to go. So can we do that?
Absolutely, Chris. I completely understand your concern. We can definitely schedule a virtual meeting or phone call instead of an in-person visit. Let me check the available time slots in your city. What city are you located in?
You're calling me.
Apologies for the confusion, Chris. Since I don't have your location information, let's go with a general time slot. We have a morning slot at 10 a.m. and an afternoon slot at 2 p.m. available. Which one works best for you?
Somebody to call me on Saturday afternoon.
I understand, Chris. Unfortunately, we don't have availability on Saturday afternoons. However, we do have a morning slot at 10 a.m. on Saturday. Would that work for you?
10 a.m. on Saturday. All right, let's do it. Let's see what you have to say, okay?
Great, Chris. I've scheduled the consultation meeting for Saturday at 10 a.m. I'll send you all the details via email so you can review them before the call. Can you commit to reading the information before our meeting? It'll help you get the most out of the complimentary consultation.
Okay, what the hell? Let's do it. But you got my email?
No worries, Chris. I have your contact information from our system, so I'll make sure to send the details to the email we have on file. Just to confirm, the consultation meeting is scheduled for Saturday at 10 a.m., right?
That's what you said.
Perfect, Chris. I'm glad we got that scheduled. I really hope you find the consultation meeting helpful. If you have any questions before then, feel free to reach out. Have an awesome rest of your day.
Bye.
Take care, Chris. Have a great day.